happy to be here at CeMAT. It's a great event so far.
Really good for us and good for the brand for sure.
Seeing an amazing exhibition that's been on.
We're really loving CeMAT. I think it's a really well organised event.
Good quality people, which we get. A lot of networking.
It's been a spectacular event for us. We've had lots of great interactions.
I think the 4th year that we've been at CeMAT, it is definitely the logistics show to be exhibiting.
CeMAT it's been good, dramatic at how big they have done it.
Look, we set some targets internally for the number of leads that we wanted to capture. We exceeded that in the first 2 days.
We've had a lot of genuine interest. I'm based here in Sydney, so overall it's been very, very productive.
It's a registered not-for-profit that was set up by the industry in August 2020 in response to the really alarming state of mental health for truck drivers and people working in warehouses and distribution centres.
It's so great to be here this time around at CeMAT. It's wonderful, so much of footfall, and Siemens is really excited to be here.
Just sitting here, we got the 16-ton machine, one of the bigger girls. It's drawn a lot of attention, obviously, in a logistics show.
We're happy to, welcome everybody, from retail distribution to parcel postal companies, and we have a lot to offer, when you're looking for the best read rates in the market.
This has really been a great platform for doing that, and we'll definitely be back next year.
Because they are actually here to solve problems for their warehousing logistics needs.
Learn more about the community and connect with the community and understand where things are heading, and it seems like things are heading in an amazing direction.
But we're super proud to have it here to finally show our customers. They walk in straight away, wow, lots of leads. CeMAT's been great. It's our 2nd time at CeMAT.